I spent over a month and thousands of dollars restoring this glass-blowing glory hole, and here's how I did it. It all began by driving out to the middle of nowhere to this giant wood shop where this talented woodworker showed me this piece of equipment that he had for a long time. Known as a glory hole, it's a very important piece of glass-blowing equipment that we needed for our studio. It had been sitting outside for a very long time, so it got destroyed by the elements, but there was a good chance we could get it to work, and the first thing we had to do was completely take it apart. We removed all the components that we could and put them aside, and now we had to deal with all this rust. Using this tool here, I brushed away all the rust on the surface and then repainted it. After painting all the metal, we took the top of the glory hole and placed it onto the ground. Once it was on the ground, we repaired the back of the chamber, then we took these high temperature fire bricks and lined the inside with them. With all the bricks in place, we now had to build a cover. Also known as a heat retention ring, this ring here is designed to help hold heat inside the chamber once it gets hot. Once the ring has been cast and dried, we can place it on top, and then we're going to weld some brackets onto the sides of the cylinder that will hold the ring in place. It's at this point we can take the cylinder and put it back onto the stand. We're then going to reattach the doors onto the front, and once the doors are set, we can now work on the gas system. This here is going to be a brand new system that we designed using 2-inch gas pipe to connect the burners. We then built a custom propane supply line that attaches to the 2-inch pipe. All we have left is to redo the electrical system. This here is the main control box. We're going to clean it out and make sure all the wiring is intact. To my surprise, everything inside was fine, so then we took the control box, mounted it back on. I did all the final wiring inside the control box. I then gave it one final inspection. Now let's see if it works. Restoring this equipment has been a long journey, and we still have a lot more to do to finish the glass blowing studio. Which means if you want to keep up with this project, be sure to follow, and now let's check out the results.